कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी.
Kashmir se Kanyakumari is a popular expression in India, denoting the vast physical expanse of the country from the northern valley to the southernmost tip. But this literary phrase has now been actualized on the 6th of June when the world's single arch railway bridge in Kashmir was inaugurated. This is a momentous occasion as it not only connects Kashmir to the rest of India but is also a culmination of an idea that began in the 19th century. It was in the late 1800s that Maharaja Pratap Singh, the Dogra ruler of Jammu and Kashmir, enlisted the help of British engineers to survey the area for the construction of a railway line. There were many challenges, including topographical and political, that caused the plan to be shelved for almost a century. In 1983, the then former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi laid the foundation stone for the railway line, which was to connect Jammu to Udhampur. This rail route, when functional, was 54 kilometers in length. Finally, 42 years and 7 Prime Ministers later, the Vande Bharat Express began its journey from Katra to Srinagar. The rail link, called the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link from Jammu to Srinagar, is now 272 kilometers in length. And what makes this occasion momentous is the fact that the Chenab Bridge is the world's highest single-arch railway bridge that is 35 meters higher than the Eiffel Tower and is an all-weather railway line. Spanning 1,315 meters, it can withstand wind speeds of 260 kilometers per hour and is stated to last 120 years. There were a slew of public interest litigations against the project for nearly 8 years that challenged the project's cost, methodology, and alignment. Before the court rulings that came in 2016 and gave permission for the project to go ahead, a committee led by E. Sridharan, the man who was instrumental in building the Delhi Metro, raised concerns regarding the proposed alignment of the railway line. But criticism for the project isn't just related to the railway line. Orchardists have risen in protest as well. Since the railway line goes through large swaths of land that are orchards, the development would severely disrupt their livelihood. Kashmir's apple industry engages 3.5 million farmers or 27% of the population. Kashmir Life, a news portal that focuses on the valley, quotes a local resident claiming that 152 canals of productive orchard land have been designated for the railway line. The livelihoods of the entire village reliant on these apple orchards are now under threat. The portal quotes an activist on the dangers of the project. Extending the railway into these regions makes little sense. The construction and operation will undoubtedly increase temperatures and carbon emissions, which could irreversibly harm the valley's ecology. We are looking at potential air pollution and further environmental degradation. While the project itself is a remarkable feat of engineering and deserves applause, its bearing on the local population and ecology should also be taken into consideration, as development cannot be at the expense of the environment.